Hey guys, welcome to Realistic Crypto and another DCA bot update. This week's been a great week. We have made some good profit, which has uh, been really really good this week. Bit of a mixed story. So I think in the Mizar world, you know, whilst we've still been profitable this week, it's not been great. However, across in the three commerce world, particularly around some uh, bots running around key, we have had a really good week. So we'll take a look at those in a minute. First thing we'll do is we'll take a look at Mizar and just look at the profits we've made there this week. So in total, we've made $150 in Mizar. Not again, not the best weeks, not the worst weeks by far. But that brings us to $650 so far for the month. We've got a couple of days left in this month, so again, nothing to complain about there. Good profit. If we take a quick look, we do have some unrealized gains of $20 in there. We've still got a few of these bots that have all of the safety orders filled from the pullback. So, we want them to close out relatively quickly so that we can free up those position spots and get some fresh deals in there. If we take a quick look at subscriptions, again, we're seeing profit in all of these. The KuCoin one's been particularly good. We're starting to wind down this Bybit one. This other Bybit one's made probably 100% in 7 or 8 weeks. So again, great profit. And we might start to look at dialing that one up, given it's a 20x cross bot. So that covers the Mizar update. If we jump across and look at the dashboard for three commas, so far this week we've made $558. Now, in the majority of cases, that has been down to a couple of bots. As you can see, we've got a short bot, a BUSD short bot here running on key, and we've also got a key BUSD long bot as well. Take a quick look at those in a minute. If we look at the statistics for the account, again, we're having quite a big week. It's probably quite a big month. It's probably the biggest month that we've had since all the way back to November 21. So we've made some significant profits there. And if we break down into the weekly list, you can see so far we're at $558, as you can see on the dashboard, and we've still got 4 hours left this week to go. If we jump across into bots, as I mentioned, you'll see, and let me just make sure that this includes everything, and all real accounts, not paper ones. As you can see, we've made $324 off this short bot. Now, key BUSD pumped 5 days ago, 110%. It's one of the coins that I've been holding, and we've taken some great opportunity around that in terms of shorting it. Now, obviously, this says that we've got 90,200 BUSD. That's actually key. So the weekly ROI and monthly ROI figures don't quite work out on this, but in actual fact, we're talking somewhere around the $1,200 mark at a guess. Let me just go take a look at what that amount of key is. Look, 1 second. 90,200 key. Yeah, it's $1,200. So off $1,200, we've made, roughly just over 25%, and that's been running for 6 days, just less than a week. So, that's really increased those figures this week. And again, on the opposite side, we've also been running long against key, given the fact that it has pumped. And again, that's been running 5.5 days, and that's made $233 from $1,600. So again, not bad going 12, 13, 14%, 18% in the week, nearly 20% in the week. That's been great. We're going to leave those two going. They are running on an interesting new strategy that I'm testing. So we're going to leave them running and see how they perform over the coming weeks, and see how they perform when the volatility starts to die down a little bit as well. That's great. We've also seen MTV add another $90, Flux another 20. We've also been running this counter trend bot, which again is another strategy that I'm testing out. Not fully happy with it. Needs a little bit more work, but absolutely that once we get that right, that will make us get a lot of money. Now the other deals, this one's paused, but it made us $11. Key BTC, so we've set this up today. We're also trading Key against BTC with some spare BTC that we had available. That's taken one deal today and taken $9. So, happy with that so far. We'll continue to monitor that. If we go right down to the bottom end, you can see that we did have this BTC builder, which lost us $147 in week. In honesty, given the fact that BTC was pumping, switching that bottom was, in hindsight, a really bad idea. And clearly that's off. We've turned that off and we've reallocated that BTC to the new strategy that we're running against Key. So in total, we've made around $700 this week, which is it's quite a good week. Again, testing a couple of new strategies. We're going to focus some capital around those strategies when they're ready, and with a view of likely seeing similar weeks to this every week. So yeah, like I say, that's the update for this week. There's not a great deal more to add. We haven't taken a look at active deals. We do have a long run in there. We've also got that USDT trend and counter trend bot running. We're 5% down on Coco's right now. Again, we're still playing with that, still tweaking that to get that right. Other than that, relatively good week. We're still waiting for some of these old multi-pairs to close out. We've been in some of these for a long time. But we'll leave them to run given the current market conditions and wait for those to close out. That covers this week's update. $700, pretty good week. Obviously lots more to come. Some new strategies which I'm pretty enthusiastic about. I think they'll make us some really good money. So, yeah, that's it for the update this week. So thank you very much, everybody, and goodbye.